Hello, my name is Virginia. I come from Taiwan, Aavara Innovation Corporation. Welcome to Taiwan demo center of Aavara AV over IP products. I'm so glad to introduce you the live demo of Aavara products integrated with Dante-enabled products. Here, I'd like to show you that this is the Dante software, the Dante controller. You can see that we have the 4 displays integrated with, installed with Aavara AV over IP, $97 sender and receiver integrated with different brands of enabled products like Yamaha, both professional series. So we provide a third-party control driver with Crystron that they can integrate with our API to control the different buses for the faster video distribution. So